Hey everyone, my name's Chase. We're here at the barbecue pit stop, and today we're gonna be making smoked queso. Now, smoked queso is an easy cook. All you're gonna need is a round of smoked Gouda, about 8 ounces, 1 block of Velveeta cheese, a bell pepper, 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes, whatever heat preference you like, whether it be mild, hot, any choice, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and then a roll of sausage. So let's get started. We're gonna start out by taking our Velveeta cheese and just slicing it into chunks. Cubing it up. That Velveeta cheese is just gonna make this queso just super rich, sweet, and creamy and delicious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cube up all these Velveeta chunks, and we're gonna throw that right into our cast iron pan. All right, so now that we have that Velveeta all sliced up, we're gonna go ahead and throw that right into our cast iron. And next, we're actually gonna be cubing up our smoked Gouda as well. Just to add a little extra smoke flavor, a nice extra cheesiness to it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this guy on up. And we're just gonna cut it into pieces. I personally like to cut it into 8s. I feel like that's the perfect size for this queso recipe. So just cut it into 8s, toss it in there with that Velveeta. No worry about mixing it up right now. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bell pepper that we already pre-sliced. We're gonna throw that in there. We're gonna throw in our cream of mushroom soup. And then our 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes. Personally, I prefer a little heat with mine, so I chose the hot tomatoes. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in that sausage. Once we've got that sausage all thrown in there, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix it up. You wanna have that cheese, that pepper, the sausage, everything just mixed thoroughly, and that way it will just melt a little more even. We're gonna take this, we're gonna go ahead and go bring it down to our smoker and throw in it at 325. So we're down here at our Timberline LG cooking today. We have it set to 325 degrees. We're just gonna go ahead, open her up, and we're gonna take that queso and just go ahead and throw it right into the center of that smoker. Close her up, and we're just gonna come back as soon as we see that queso starting to melt. We might come back and mix it a few times, but we just wanna see it kind of start to melt and truly become that nice queso dip. All right, so it's been on for just about 2 hours. So we're gonna come in and check it. It's looking nice and melted. We've mixed it a few times. I think it's time to pull it off. All right, so we finished this queso up. We're just gonna go ahead and take any tortilla chip. We're gonna dig in. And that's how you make the perfect smoked queso dip.